Okay, we're just about to check moon noise on 13 centimeters with the 5.4 meter dish and a G4DDK vlna 0.25 dB noise figure and a circular septum without a choke. So right now we're looking at cold sky. I'm just going to track onto the moon. Tracking on. Needle's coming up now. So we're seeing about 0.5 dB of moon noise, which is about as predicted by VK3UM calculator for the feed that I'm using and dish size and noise figure. So it looks like the system's performing like it should. Thank you.